FoodPlay presents Snack Time with Caroline, making good eating great fun!
Hi, I'm Caroline, and today I want to make chill sticks with you. Remember, always make sure you have an adult to help cut the fruit and build your healthy, delicious, nutritious treat. Here's everything you're going to need today. I'm going to start with a stick. Make sure it's safe and not pointy on both sides. You can use a popsicle stick if you have one, but this is what I wanted to use. Next, you'll need to pick out your favorite fruits. I like to pick out the ones with the most potassium, vitamins, and fiber that I can think of. Whenever I think of potassium, I think of how it's really good for your heart. That's why I like to cut my strawberries into pretty little hearts. And don't forget that bananas are really good for potassium as well. I like to put them like eyeballs. And I have grape, just for fun. I like them green, but some people like them purple. Oh, I almost forgot. Lime, a good squeeze of it at the end, and then you put it in your freezer, and it's a chill stick. Step 1, grab your stick. Either side works, whatever you want. And then we're gonna grab the strawberries that we've cut the top off of. And make sure your adult helps you out. You're gonna grab your pre-cut strawberry and put the inside of the heart onto the stick. Just like that. Next, you're gonna pick out your next favorite fruit. I like to variate them and maybe make fun patterns. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a banana and put it right through. I think it's looking good already. Next, I'm gonna grab a grape. Wow. Ooh, I love the way it's looking. Another strawberry, another banana, and one more grape. The grapes are a little tough. You might need to squeeze them. I think I want to end mine with one more strawberry. You can eat them like this, or you can eat them standing up. Last but not least, take your lime juice and go ahead and squeeze, 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 squeeze. Ooh, mine looks good. I can't wait to see the way your delicious, nutritious chill sticks come out. I'm gonna try a bite of mine. Mmm, delicious.